Here's next on the list of things to do, the front master cylinder. I have a rebuild kit there. I have a lens, so I think I will go ahead and replace that one. It has some yellowing and kind of aging cracks. I'm having a hard time figuring out how to get this guy off. I know I've done this before, but I'll pull this brake handle off first. I knew this would be easy. Turn it over. There's a hole right here. Push down, and out it comes. Okay, this is all disassembled except for pulling the plunger out. There's a bunch of new parts. Need to pull this rubber boot off. That looks really grungy inside there. Got a snap ring way down in there. I'm having a really hard time finding the little holes on the snap ring. I see them. Look at that. Got something. This needs a little cleaning. The bore looks good. I think it'll be fine once I flush it out. Just have to scrape some grunge all around in there. I'm gonna see if that lens will pop out easily. A magnet. Not that easy. Try again. It started coming out. There we go. See that? We have an O-ring in here. Like so. Now a little cleanup and some paint, and then it'll have to cure, and then I can put the new lens in, put the master cylinder parts back in there. I put the old lens in there after I popped it out for painting. So first step will be to replace that thing with a new one. See if this thing will pop right out. Like that. I'll let the games begin here, right? This thing measures
about 16.72
millimeters. The replacement lens used on another front master cylinder measures a little over 18 millimeters. I don't think that's going to fit in there, darn it. Unless, by golly, there's something magnetic there. So, like this outer ring, well, this one's non-magnetic. So I'm wondering if it's a metal ring. I'm going to dig around a little and try to find out. I scraped the paint around the outer edge of this thing, and it measures 18 millimeter. The new window that's going to go in there is a little over 18 millimeters. So this has definitely got the metal ring in there. So the question is, how do you get it out? How about with that? I'm going to try to slowly grind a little piece of it out. There goes. Start off kind of slow. I don't know how to tell when I hit the aluminum. I'm a little bit freaked out to keep doing this. I keep trying to take this X-Acto knife blade and prying under here, because when I get it thin enough I should be able to bend this up. So I'm going to grind a little bit more. Starting to get there. Get this miniature eyeglass screwdriver. Oh, look at that. Progress. Look at that. It's coming out. Sort of. Got it. It's out. Gotta clean this all out now. Nice. Wow. Got a socket that fits right inside here, like so, to push that window in. The rubber O-ring just sits right inside there. I was able to get it started. I pressed it in by hand. Not centered on there. Doesn't want to center. Oh, maybe it's a little crooked. I think I need to tap it down level first. Better yet, this should get it nice and level. And that's as far as I can go like that. Need one more hand. I think it's in. It looks like the O-ring is compressed. I think I'm good to go. Back to final assembly on this front master cylinder. Brake fluid inside the bore. Brake fluid this guy. And this one. Can't tell if that's seated all the way in there. I think it is. There we go. Feels pretty good. There we go. Another assembly done. How about that? Now I can move on to the forks and the never-ending wheel project.